Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video I am reviewing the Blazing Night Scalper EA, and this one is specifically built for MT5. Okay, we are just going to be breaking down how this EA works step by step, starting from the MQL5 marketplace. We can see that the EA is clearly positioned as a premium product priced at 10,000 US dollars, which immediately tells you that this is targeting a very specific type of user. This isn't meant for casual traders. It's aimed at people who are either running funded systems, managing capital, or already deep into automated trading, right? So now from the description, the EA is built around night scalping, but with a twist, right? Traditionally, night scalpers relied on tight spreads and low volatility during off-market hours, but the developer mentions that after 2022, conditions changed, right? Spreads widened, competition increased, and performance dropped. So instead of abandoning the strategy, they introduced the grid recovery system. That's a key detail. This EA is designed to trade 6 pairs simultaneously: the AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD USD, CAD CHF, Euro USD, and GBP USD, GBP AUD. Right? You can see the 6 pairs listed here, and all of them on the M5 time frame. All right. So it also uses a multi-symbol setup, meaning you attach it to one chart and it manages trades across all 6 pairs. Now that's important because it diversifies exposure, but it also increases complexity. Now let us talk about how this EA actually operates. At its core, it's still a night scalping system. That means it is looking for small price inefficiencies during low volatility periods, typically when the market is quieter. The idea here is that price tends to revert slightly during these hours, creating small but consistent opportunities. Originally, this kind of system worked with fixed stop loss and take profit levels, but with changing market conditions, that approach alone became less reliable. So now the EA incorporates a grid recovery mechanism. What this means is if the initial trade doesn't go into profit, instead of closing immediately at a loss, the EA can open additional positions at predefined distances. The goal is to average the entry and recover the position when price retraces. Now, this can be effective, but it introduces a different type of risk, because instead of taking a small loss, the EA is holding and expanding exposure. So drawdown management becomes critical. Now, this is why balance recommendations and pair selection matter so much here. Another important aspect is the multi-symbol trading. By spreading trades across 6 pairs, the EA is not relying on a single market condition. Some pairs might be ranging while others are trending slightly, and that balance can help smooth results. But again, it also means more positions can be open at the same time. So your margin and risk settings need to be aligned with that. All right, so now that we understand how this EA is structured, let's just move into the strategy tester and actually see how it behaves. All right, we are going to be testing the Blazing Night Scalper on AUD CAD. All right, AUD CAD on the M5 time frame. Okay, so AUD CAD M5 time frame, the Blazing Night Scalper. All right, so we're going to be testing from the beginning of this year so that we can get a meaningful duration with different market conditions. Although I will recommend that you test the EA over a longer period of time, perhaps a year or two, right? So let us start the test. Okay. So now the EA is active, hunting for opportunities in the market. All right. So the first thing I'm noticing is that the EA is not really in a haste to execute trades. All right, because ideally it should enter during a relatively quiet market phase. Okay, the entry will likely be happening after minor price deviations, maybe almost like expecting a pullback, small pullback. All right. So we're just going to be skipping to the end. We can see that trade has already started to be executed. Actually, we are expecting few trades because of the strategy that the EA is using. It's a night scalping strategy, and it looks for good opportunities in the market. You can see that the EA is not in a haste to execute trade, just few trades executed so far. All right, so let's just skip to the end of the video and the end of the back test, I mean, and then we can go analyze the results together, see how the EA performed over a space of approximately 4 months. Okay, so within about 2 minutes, the results should be out, and I'll be back for us to analyze the results together. So the results are out now, and we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the total net profit was just $6.21. So that is giving us around 0.2% profit. And we can see that there were only 12 total trades taken. Short trades were 7 with 100% win rate. Long trades were 5 with 100% win rate. All right. And then the largest profit was 0.59. No wonder we had just 6.21 total net profit. We can see that this is a scalper, and the profit target is just little, you know, little profits are what the EA is targeting, right? Average profit is 0.252. Okay, so these are historical backtest results, don't forget, and they show how the EA performed under past conditions. So it's not a guarantee of future performance. What stands out is the consistency of the logic. The EA enters during low volatility, builds positions when needed, and exits as a basket when price retraces. But performance will vary significantly depending on your setup. Lot size, number of pairs, broker spreads, execution speed, and overall market conditions. They all play a major role here, especially with grid-based systems, right? Small changes in settings can lead to a very different outcome. So optimization and forward testing are absolutely essential. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.